In this video, we're going to talk about how you can do the background check for Just Eat. So if you want to become a career here on the Just Eat app, we're going to select account and then we'll click on become a career. Now, I'll explain what is required of us to what we need to provide for the background check to proceed. So if we click on apply here, you can register, select your zone. You already know how to do that. So if you want to complete the background check, you will need to supply a few things. So you will need to supply your valid driver's ID. You will also need to provide proof of address, so where you have resided, and also you need to upload some identification like ID or a password. Sorry, not password, but passport. And also you will need to just confirm your address. Like I said, select your delivery zone, and it is going to take a few weeks for Just Eat to complete your background check process. But if you have been approved, you will receive an email and you can proceed with delivering food. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.